everyone, I'm here today to demonstrate and do some Kapalabhati breathing with you. So this is a cleansing breath. It's a sharp exhale. Inhale happens automatically. We're using the core to expel the stale air from the bottoms of our lungs. So there's a few things to know about it. It can be really tempting to purse the lips here, like you're blowing a candle out. Instead, we keep the mouth soft. Imagine like you're a panting dog, like that, that's very similar to this breath. We want to find a nice seat. So I'm sitting on 2 blocks, tall spine, shoulders draw down and back. And before we begin, I'll just give you a little show of what this looks like. So I like bringing hands to stomach so you can feel that active work in the core. And simply looks like this. So forced to exhale again, inhales are happening automatically, and the core is working here. So this should feel a little fatiguing for the core. When you're ready, you'll find that space where you're sitting tall. Close your eyes if you have the hang of it. You can always peek if you need to see what's kind of going on, if you get a little lost. We'll take a big breath in to prepare. Clear the lungs out. Take a breath in. And we begin. Keep going, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big breath in. Clear it out. Just noticing how you feel here, noticing if that did fatigue your core, how you feel in your breathing now. Maybe you feel like you can take bigger breaths, or maybe that feels a bit fatigued as well. Just know it's all okay. If you're into journaling, not a bad idea to note how that experience was for you. And practice this often. It's really, really amazing for strengthening your lung capacity and for clearing out old, stale air from your lungs, as well as other particles and stuff that get stuck in our lungs. So it's a great time to be working on that. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. And thanks for breathing with me. Have a great day.